Alright guys, welcome to 4.6 Savage, and today we are talking about the manual valve body, overdrive, and lockup control wiring and what you got to do. So, we're going to talk about these. I have this type transmission, so D is for lockup control, which will be wired up to a switch, and then the switch will be wired to ground. Then A is your hot wire, B and C will be tied in together, and then the other side will be ground. So we're going to go, and I cut a pigtail off of my old transmission harness that I had laying around. This thing here. So I cut that pigtail off, the white pigtail, and I ran it up, tied all my wires, extended them, and as of right now, I ran it through here. I connected my speed cal, which I ran the wires from, and I connected the speed cal into this, which was a setup I had for my my power seat, and I ran the wires into the harness and up into the box and up. So the switch panel I have is this switch panel. I will be installing a push button start and an ignition switch. I will also be installing I'll also be installing a bunch of new mods, but that will be for another video. So I'm gonna use these two switches for lockup and overdrive. So lockup and overdrive, and they have little LEDs on them that'll turn on when I flip them up, and when they click down, they click down. So, and this one will be for my fan high, and unsure what I'm going to use this one. I may wire up the blower motor, I may not, but I'm planning to go a Mega Squirt ECU, so that will be the plan for that one. Alright, that's going to be all for this video. There'll be another video premiering with this, and that's going to be about the new mods that Rose has, and we're going to talk all about them. Alright, remember, be savage.